Today, we review the best action camera that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Lite. The Lite, as its name suggests, is the light model of the range. With its dimensions of 6.5 by 4.2 by 3 centimeters, it is the same width as the 4K, which allows it to be compatible with some of its accessories such as the waterproof cover, which helps immersion to 30 meters. It is however much lighter with only 72 grams on the scale. This makes it an easily transportable asset.
Number 2.
Wymius L2. On receipt of the Wymius L2, we receive an impressive number of accessories. Two 1000 mAh batteries at 3.7 watt-hours, a waterproof shell, no less than 6 mounting accessories for various GoPro-friendly mounts, a charger and even a small microfiber cloth to clean the screen. The battery life of these two batteries is approximately 130, which is enough for a little fun, but it is possible to buy drum kits separately for longer sessions.
Number 3.
GoPro Hero 5. The design is cleaner than the Hero 4. Fewer angles, fewer frills. The small front screen has a higher contrast. It shows the characteristics and the time of the recording, the remaining memory, and the battery level. On the back, we have the iconic 2 LCD image return, whose return is more faithful and bright than on previous models. And GoPro caught up with its competitors by finally proposing a reactive touchscreen.
Number 4.
Olympus TG Tracker. Regarding the shooting, it is rather bluffing. The 4K is present at 30 IPS, although, as for the GoPro Hero 5, the stabilization is not active at such a resolution. In contrast, the angle of view of 204 degrees, a record. It allows a stabilization from 2K with 60 FPS, and it must be. Because of the slightly high weight of the camera, the image tends to move a little more than other action cams lighter.
Number 5.
GoPro Hero 7 Black. At the screen level first, we are dealing with the same interface with clear menus and excellent ergonomics, but it has undergone a welcome refreshment that makes it even more readable and now includes a tutorial. The screen is always very responsive, but it is advisable, for easier handling, to go through the application, which is complete and generally much more comfortable to access than on a small screen 2.2 inches.